Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internet Real Secret. In this review videos, I would like to actually share with you of this. This actually is a storage on the cloud app. It's called LifeCloud, right? So basically, LifeCloud actually become with a one-time price that allow you to backup, store, hold, share all your information, including image, video, and documents, right? You can keep your website, graphic, videos, and data secure using a super hosting feature. This is a data protections layer that come together, and there's also end-to-end SSL encryption production of your data, and it directly deliver content from the cloud on the website. Double up your cloud, right, for easy use and collaboration, right? So if you have any big size videos and image, right, you can actually make use of this live cloud, and you don't have to store into your hosting, right? And this is one of the way you can actually collaborate the shading of this information like graphic or the video, right? Okay, so look at this live cloud here. So it's all new 2-in-1 called cloud storage and live app. Help you store, backup, share, and host file and videos, right? Okay, so it's going to be launched tonight, 11 a.m. EXT. And means annually is the person who actually created this LifeCloud. So LifeCloud is all-in-one platform that allows users to store, backup, share, and host file and video on ultra-fast server. So they have all this content hosted on ultra-fast server at an unbeatable one-time price, right? Remember, it's a one-time price, right? Today, if you go and subscribe for DropBox or Google Drive, they're going to charge you a monthly, right? Okay, so that is a fact of how it do it. So without further delay, let me take you quickly to this version of this LifeCloud. We help you to actually better understand how this whole thing works, right? Okay, there is I have actually a pre-record video here, so that will show you how all this thing work, right? Okay, just a second. So this is when you log in the LifeCloud, this is what you're going to see, right? Okay, so on the left hand side, you can create a folder, right? And let's say for demo purpose, you can actually set the privacy of the folder. It's a public, private, and there's a password you can set also, right? Okay, right? Okay, and you can set whether it's a watermark image or not, right? Okay, right? So this is also allowed. Does it allow for now that when share, you can actually all this can be set easily, right? Okay, I don't think this. So we maybe not be able to find this feature in others cloud hosting or cloud storage, right? So just upload and drag and drop any file to upload them onto your there is their own block solid cloud server, right? Okay, so once done, you can see you can easily browse through. You can edit the file, right? End-to-end data protection from the third party, right? They have end-to-end data protection, so you don't have to worry your data is being hacked. You are going to store some personal or secret information or something to privacy information into this. Then you don't have to worry it's going to be hacked, right? Okay, right. So that is fantastic part. So you can share the page link, right? Example, if upload an image, they can actually easily share this image onto your website or onto your blog also easily, right? So you don't have to upload this to your blog, because ultimately your hosting is going to grow if you upload all these files onto your hosting, right? Okay, they're going to charge you more, right? So by leverage on this online storage, you can actually get it of that. This one-time payment only. So how easy, right? You can actually copy the HTML code from the image or video you upload and actually paste the code into this your website or blog. It's very easy, right? So all this is fantastic of this how this can actually be easily be installed here. So that's the idea here of this LifeCloud, right? Okay, let me quickly run you through of this. What is the front end and OTO1? Okay, the front end is start at 22.14 to 27. It's a front end, right? So it actually allows unlimited media, file, image storage, and live delivery to the website, right? Okay, embed media from LifeCloud using embed code, font code, and link. Get started with your storage journey at the lower one-time cost only. Level up and cloud life for easy use and collaboration. Auto storage expansion per user. One click third-party sharing, so it allows for third-party sharing. 100% data protection, right? With SSL encryption, backup all your information, including image, video, and documents, right? So it's really easy to use, right? So you don't have to go to like different places to maintain all these different big file size like the videos. You may have a lot of video you do for your YouTube channel, but if you want to store those videos in your personal life, you will find your personal laptop of this is going to grow. The storage is going to be running out really soon with this big file size image, right? Or this or we call it as a video, right? Okay, so what is a like that delivery content for the cloud on the website? Next one is enhanced security, 20-bit, 264-bit encryption, full file statistic, and also visitor country top, and also it comes with the statistic with this OTO upgrade, private and public folder option, and enable watermarking of preview file. Okay, you can actually watermark the preview file, password protection, commercial license. So this comes with commercial license, OTO one. I mean to say you can actually provide is unlimited storage, right? You can actually sell this storage to your friend or anyone who in need of this LifeCloud because it comes with a commercial license, right? OTO 2 is a line for use service. We move your file and data to LifeCloud and set up as per your wish, right? Sit back, this line for use service, they will actually help you to move your file to the LifeCloud, so it can actually be secure, be stored in the LifeCloud, right? If you don't want to the hassle of managing all this file, then you can actually hire them under this DIY service, right? Okay, OTO 3 is a live trilogy. This will get 3 best-selling live product, live host, live meal, and live meal for a low one-time price is there, previous product set for one-time price, right? So OTO 4 is a live agency bundle, so you get 250 times 4 account of our best-selling live CD. So you can actually act as an agency. You can actually sell this thousands account to any person who actually in need of this storage, and you can get 100% on the profit, right? So that is fantastic. But you can sell this to Fiverr and make a really good profit out of that. OTO 5 is a LifeCloud reseller. LifeCloud resell your LifeCloud and keep all the profit, right? Okay, and LifeCloud's a white label. You can sell LifeCloud as your own app with custom branding and logo. Okay, you can blend it as your own logo. You don't have to use a LifeCloud, right? So that's basically all this OTO front end and the OTO. Personally, I would actually recommend you to take the front end and also the OTO one, the enhanced security, because the enhanced security actually is enable you if you want to secure your things like personal data or any secret or any so-called confidential information. It could be your contract, something to do with your financial contract, or anything to do with your housing loans contract or your house contracts, things like that. You can actually this is a really useful feature, right? Okay, so let's go to the others. So I have actually put up a very review about this LifeCloud, right? So the good thing is if you today go and subscribe to DropBox or Wistia or Vimeo, you are going to pay money. Let me quickly show you. I think for example, right? For the share or example, you see 10 terabyte. Google is going to charge you $49.99 per month, 20 terabyte, $99 per month, 30 terabyte is going to charge you $14.50 per month. But coming back to the LifeCloud, you are going to get this for one-time payment only. So that is a fantastic part about this LifeCloud, right? Okay. So also I have also do a summary about this LifeCloud, and as I put together one of the demo video here, right? Okay. So what's the bonus first here, right? So the bonus first thing, you're going to get a free list building video training with 100 free this solo click, right? So this click in the market, it could cost you 1 click per $1, and by the end of this list building training, you're going to get 100 click solo click, and you can actually submit an affiliate link or any product link to this 100 click, and potentially you may make some sales, right? Okay, you may make a few sales, also you will still getting a lead out of this 100 click, right? So this is a really high quality bonuses, right? Bonus number 2, my own product is a none for you money list. You are going to get this product from me, 50,000 make of money online subscriber to promote any offer, right? Okay, so it's you. If you don't have a list, take my list and import to your autoresponder, then you are good to actually promote the list with any offer. Right. Next one is 5 conversion tool to get you more lead and sales. Right? Imagine if you can have this conversion elements. You have these buttons, image, timer, and destructive message, and also we have this video. All this is called conversion elements. All these conversion elements actually help you to drive traffic, convert traffic, convert the lead, and ultimately get you more sales to anything you're promoting via email or anything you promote via your website or blog, right? Okay, we have this Smarty Builder is our e-commerce site builder, and also with 250k funnel kit. This is like a click funnel. You are paying $99 per month, but with funnel kit you don't have to pay that, right? Okay, so we have this associate affiliate marketing, how to make 10,000 per month. This is really cool training also, and we have 160-day follow-up emails you need to make money, and I have this 400 fill in the blank headline. Okay, all these two work together, and you can actually also have this work together also because any subscriber going to your list, ultimately there is a so-called we have to actually follow up with the subscriber. We have to use this follow-up email CD to actually follow up the subscriber, turn them into a buyer, right? Okay, so that's exactly how you do. So we have this VidSpark or video questionnaire for more traffic, lead, and sales, and we have this BotEngage DropBox app, and it's going to get you traffic, lead, and sales also, right? And we have Wallet Traffic Cloud app, OutReachr, right? This Wallet Traffic Cloud app, we actually is create a wallet wireless traffic effect, right? With this OutReachr, right? Okay, I asked the iShop affiliate store builder, and we have this 15 free traffic method you don't know, right? And I have this top 6 pay underground traffic source, and all the traffic source you are free to learn and use it, and for you to grow your own business, right? To get you more lead and sales, right? Okay, I have a training how to make money online without you selling anything. This is a very famous, very exclusive free training, right? You are not going to get any in other place. And we have the journal TikTok traffic app, and also Instagram traffic app, and all this this is really powerful app, and I'm using the app myself, right? So you are getting this free also. So we have this 200 undiscovered with this special bonus giveaway. If you click this preview here, you're going to see what's inside the list of the bonus itself, right? Okay, right. So let's quickly go through the list of the bonus. You're going to get email swap, email marketing video training courses, over 100 premium software, and you are going to have my lead magnet capture page also. And on top of that, you're going to get active video training courses, right? It could be all this could be you, the loss code, secret weapon, breakout resiliency suit pro, how to write headline sell in 0-hour workday. All this is Jono Armstrong and Brandon's very famous name. A lot of marketers, they are giving this just one or two, but I'm giving it to you all their courses under this bundle, right? So you are not going to get this in for other marketers. Trust me, you can surf for now. No one is going to have this bundle for just for a purchase of this I think that's at $20 the front end, right? Okay, so just click the link below this video, and you're going to come to this review page, right? And just click on the orange button and do a purchase of this our famous LifeCloud, right? So all this LifeCloud we actually ultimately to get you in the long term, it's going to save you a lot of cost, in terms of you don't have to pay expensive cost, the monthly cost to Google, DropBox, Vimeo, all these they actually charge you a monthly recurring cost. So only one time cost you are going to get this, right? For only one time cost, right? So that is fantastic about this 2-in-1 cloud storage and drive. It comes with the cloud storage and drive app. Drive app means to say you can store something onto the drive, and you can actually share the content across every way by using just a link, right? Backup, share, and host, right? Okay, so that is something everyone is in need. No matter what business you are running, you are going to need an online storage. But the others, but the Dropbox, Google storage, they are charging you money, right? Okay. So that's it. I think that's from my presentation about the LifeCloud app. So okay, so to click the link below this video and get all my bonus package together with the LifeCloud, right? Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.